y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, as the title says, we are doing a Temu spring clothing haul. I am so excited. Thank you so much to Temu for sending me some of these pieces. But before we do, I do have a code here so you can save yourself a little bit of money from your Temu order, and everything from this video will be linked down below for you as well. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so this is the first piece. This is a midi dress. It does button all the way down here, so that took me a little bit long. I don't know if I like the material of it, I'm gonna be honest. It feels a little bit scratchy. There aren't any pockets, and I just don't feel like this is fitting my body the way I want it to. It's not tight enough in the places I want it to be tight enough, but it's not loose enough to where that makes sense. So I don't know, but it is a very pretty kind of black floral pattern, which I do really like. And then it does cinch nicely up at the forearms. I don't know if I like this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it just because I don't think I'm going to get enough wear out of it, but it is decent. Okay, next up we have this one, which is just this absolutely beautiful blue floral print. This is so pretty. These buttons right here are fake, and then it does cinch in, so it's super extra stretchy, which is great. Another kind of midi, oh, no, this one's more of a maxi, but then this one has a slit on both sides. There we go. It has a slit, there we go, either side of either leg. There we go, now you can kind of see. This one is so soft. The material of this is completely different than the other one, and I love this. It's super soft, super lightweight, almost like a cooling fabric, and I feel like it just flows so nicely. This is something I envision just like running through flowers or prancing on the sand at the beach. Like, this is just a very like magical spring dress to me. Super, super comfortable. Probably gonna wear it with some sneakers, or you could totally dress this up if you want to. You could probably even get away with wearing this for like a casual wedding. Love this dress. I think the style of this is super, super pretty, and the fabric just makes this like all the more special and magical to me. I love it. Okay, well, this one is so good. Okay, so first look at this print. It's a very fun spring orange, and the floral is beautiful. The material in this is amazing. So I definitely needed to size down. This is a little bit big for me, but this is such a nice dress. Like, I love these bell sleeves. This V is a little bit deeper than I expected, but I think if I size down, it'll fit things a little bit better. And then it does come with this removable belt as well. It zips up in the back, and the zipper is super high quality. I think this is amazing. I think my only downside to this is this stitching. I feel like this is not amazing to me. I don't love how this isn't straight, and I feel like it just feels a little bit weird on my hands because it just kind of seems unfinished. But I don't really mind that because it looks so nice. The hem at the bottom of the dress is the same as on the sleeves, in case you were curious. The color is so pretty. I think this is beautiful. Just need to get it in my correct size because I think I just went a little too high up. But this is gorgeous. It's super soft. The material is very cooling and breathable, so it's really, really nice for a hot day. And I just love it. It's not see-through at all either, so this is a big one. Okay, last dress is this one. I am not sure how I feel about this one. The print is really cool, and I feel like from far away, this looks very like editorial, very chic, super fashionable, but I just don't really like it. I feel like this is kind of throwing me off. I feel like this just doesn't fit the vibe of how it's supposed to, and my bra ends here, so I feel like this just isn't fitting me the right way. I like the puffy shoulders, but again, I feel like they're just kind of hitting at the wrong spot. And I'm not sure if it's because I got the wrong size, so I'm not sure if it's too small or too big, but because like this area feels like it's too big for me for sure, but then up here and here feels too small, so I'm not really sure. But otherwise, I do think this is really fun. I love from here down, this skirt is so fun in this print. And I really do like the style of it. I think the length is really nice. It just doesn't fit me quite how I want it to, but it's so soft. Like the material's so nice. Super, super breathable. Again, that more kind of cooling soft fabric, so perfect for the summer. It flows really nicely. I feel like this is a very like magical dress, but I think the print's kind of throwing me off, and then I think the top area is just kind of throwing me off. But let me know what you think. Do you agree, disagree? But yeah, so then we have 2 more pieces. Let's try those on. Hey, I have to say this one is pleasantly surprising. So when I pulled it out of the bag, I was a little worried that it was going to be see-through, but because it's black, it actually isn't. So you do kind of tie it yourself, so you can adjust this to be however tight or loose you want it to be. I think this is so cute, like seriously so cute. I actually have a swimsuit that's this exact same kind of tie situation, and it's my favorite. I've had it for probably 3 or 4 years now, and it's like the only swimsuit I wear because I love it so much. I do feel like this is a little bit on the shorter side. It's probably like maybe a 2-inch inseam, but it's a little bit baggier, so I don't feel too uncomfortable, and there's definitely more length in the back, which I appreciate. I think I probably could have sized up in this just so that there's a little bit more length here to give me some more peace of mind, but this is so cute. Another thing that I feel like you could wear as like a beach cover up, or you could dress this up with heels for going out. But yeah, I think this is so cute. I'm really pleasantly surprised because I expected this to not look good at all, but then when it's on, this looks so nice. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this one. Okay, and then lastly, we have this pair of pants. These are kind of like a linen-y pant. And they are so soft. So I'm just wearing them with one of my basic tank tops from my closet, but they are a true drawstring with some metal at the end, and then they do have real pockets in the front. There are no pockets in the back. Length on these is like totally perfect for me, so I'm really excited about that. I think this is just a really great pair of summer pants. Very lightweight. I wouldn't say they're like a true linen. They're definitely like a polyester blend. So they're not quite as breathable as linen, but they are still really soft and breathable. I think these are really comfortable. I'm honestly really excited. I think these are going to be a great kind of beach pant, or, you know, just wear it with a graphic tee to go run errands. They look a lot nicer than they feel, so I think these are a big win. But let me know, what was your favorite piece from this haul? I think mine has to be either the blue dress or the black romper. I feel like those are both really, really good. So let me know what you think, and if you're interested in picking anything up, everything will be linked down below for you. Thank you so much again to Temu for sending me these pieces, and thank you for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. In the meantime, have a killer day. Bye!